Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Yes, morning, my people. You don't know, say a fire read. You don't know, say a true Jamaican vibes. You know, say a early morning in the backyard this morning. Trust me. So nice. Mango like crazy. You call them the rabbit mango. So every morning when we wake up and try eat one mango, you know. Keep your body healthy, natural. So this is the rabbit mango. Don't know. Catch it. Look at this. Lot of vitamin C. True Jamaican vibes, you know. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Nothing cannot beat the country life. I love it. You need to take a visit to St.Elizabeth in Savanna. Natural beauty. So we call this a sweet, sweet rabbit mango. Yeah, see, rabbit mango them there. Mango like crazy. So you don't know, saying it's a coconut good for your heart. You know, so every morning same way one coconut. See coconut there. Drink a coconut in the morning and say wash off your heart. You know, say good for high blood pressure and things. So all the people with my high blood pressure drink a coconut every morning. Imagine if you put the garlic with it. In space of no time, your blood pressure gone way down. This is the good coconut, you know. But anyway, still more on the local harvesting today with the tobacco them and stuff for it. So I watch the weather to see what take place, then cut down some tobacco stock and stuff. So early this morning I'm going to the barn and remove some of the dry stock. And I also cut some seed this morning. So I'm going to show you the dry stock we I removed from the barn. So this is the tobacco seed. So a lot of seed in this pod, like about hundreds of seed in this one tobacco pod. They are very tiny. So this is a tobacco seed, right? And also we have the tobacco stock right over here. Just remove them from the barn. We need some rain. Time is very dry right now, so we can't get to parting them together. So the time is very dry right now. So we take them from early this morning, let them get some of the night dew, so we can get them to party at a later time. So this is what we call a tobacco stock. So nothing cannot beat the country life in farming. You can farm anything in the country and you survive with it. Anything at all. As long as you get some rain and you have some water, there's nothing cannot beat that. So I'm just going on a backyard tour. So right here we have a jump plum tree right here. So there's a jump plum tree. And right beside it, it's a raspberry tree also. So sweet, sweet Jamaica. I love it. Natural beauty. Mango them sweet, no brother. I get sugar. So yes, my people, me in my backyard. This man, me cut a banana this morning and me alone can't carry it this morning. So me have to call a friend, you know. Very heavy. So I'm going to take a tour this morning, go up on the backyard the same way. Just a walk through the tobacco crop. Look my people, so this is about I can't tell me couldn't see much on the banana this morning. So you know say a country banana but them very big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I remove one already, so that would make 11 and a banana, right? This is a huge banana. Very, very huge banana. You know, it's nice to make a banana porridge in the morning. Very healthy for your body and things. See it there? True Jamaican vibes, country life. Yes, my people, you know, it's early morning again. You don't know. So, not working at the early morning, you get a lot of things done. So, you see, all I farming, you not working at the sun out because you love the sun. So, all I people, they feel the sun out, you have to work in the sun out. No. Early morning work. So, I chop down some tobacco right now in the morning. It's the early morning vibes in Jamaica. You know, it's harvesting time. We are coming to the ending part of the tobacco, the ending crop. So, I chop down some of the start them. Everything good? Yeah, man, I just saw early morning work, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me good, you know? Yeah, man, so you don't know, say hot grabber this. Real hot grabber in Jamaica. This is hot. Them call it hot grabber, hot leaf. I try to beat the rain still because come like I get some rain today, so I try to beat the rain too.
Every God say. brother not agree enough. I not chop down the fruit tree. Oh, you give your ring me.
You know, say a fair read. Welcome to Fair Read Vlog, you know. Early morning. Where you can put them in a store in here, right on the chopper.
Chop them in. Come on.
Early morning time. You know, we kind of get a little bit, you know, say, due to the worm and stuff, for the crop kind of get a little damage and stuff because of the worm. They call them caterpillars. No, they call the worm them caterpillars. Very dangerous worm, them, you know? Caterpillars. Just like, share and subscribe to my channel, Fair Read. This one look like the Canadian tobacco. So leaf them kind of look different from the rest of them. They look very big. Like the Canadian leaf, like it's a mixed breed. Yeah man, real Jamaican vibes. So I don't know if they may stock, you know. They might call them the stock. And it's very stronger. The stock is more stronger than. So when you remove this, we're gonna tie them together, but this is more weaker. But when you cut them like this and store them, they're more stronger. A lot of nicotine in it. A lot of nicotine. You know the other day a vendor from St. Thomas him come buy about 10 pounds of tobaccos. Can you believe he said like people like it like crazy because you have a different burning from the rest of them? From way in St. Thomas. People are coming from all about. Everywhere. Everywhere. So a real hot job of them here. Hot leaf. Yes, my people, I fire read again. Thank you for watching my channel. Like, share and subscribe. Peace and out.